In Omaha, Nebraska, lives a man whose name alone moves markets, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. For nearly a century, Buffett has shaped finance, built an empire worth hundreds of billions, and influenced how the world thinks about investing. Most people know Buffett as the patient, long-term stock picker behind Berkshire Hathaway. But what many overlook is one of his most important, powerful tools: options. Yes, Buffett, the world's greatest buy and hold investor, made billions selling options. Not for speculation, not for gambling, not for hype, not emotional, but as a disciplined strategy to generate income and acquire businesses he already wanted on his own terms. His weapon of choice, the cash secured put. Here's how it works. Buffett agrees to buy a stock he already admires at a set price in the future. In return, he collects cash up front, a premium. If the stock drops, he buys it cheaper exactly as he wanted. If it doesn't, he keeps the premium. So either way, he wins. Wall Street saw risk, Buffett saw certainty. And it's no surprise. Buffett is the largest owner of insurance companies in the world. Businesses built on collecting premiums. Geico, General Ray, National Indemnity, MedPro, Berkshire Hathaway, Reinsurance Group, and dozens more make up a fortress of insurance brands. Together, they generate tens of billions in premiums year after year. This float, the money collected today but not yet paid out in claims, becomes Buffett's war chest, funding Berkshire's investments and giving him unmatched financial power. In the 1990s and 2000s, Berkshire even sold tens of billions of dollars in long-term put options on major stock indexes. Critics thought he was reckless, but Buffett believed in America, in markets, and in time. When those contracts expired, Berkshire had collected billions without losing a dime. That's the power of patience, discipline, and vision. Buffett's option strategy rests on four timeless principles: patience, never rushing, only acting when the deal is right; discipline, selling puts only on companies he wants to own; safety, always cash-backed, never over-leveraged; long-term conviction, thinking in decades, not days. As Buffett said, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. And through options, he proved it again and again. From selling soda bottles at age 6 to selling billion-dollar contracts decades later, Buffett reminds us of a simple truth. The greatest fortunes aren't built by gambling and hype on what's next, but by preparing, waiting, and getting paid while you wait. And that may be Buffett's greatest secret. He doesn't use options to chase luck or a quick buck. He uses them to buy greatness at a discount. At Tech Hedge Pivot, we carry that same philosophy forward. Just like Warren Buffett, we teach everyday investors how to generate passive income by selling options and collecting premiums, using patience, discipline, and safety as the foundation. If you'd like to learn more, follow us, join our Discord community, or sign up for our email updates. We look forward to working with you and sharing insights that can help you build lasting wealth.